Hello there, everybody. What's up, and welcome back to our space. I know it's been a minute since we did some cooking video, so today we're gonna be cooking some hen, aka kuku, aka chicken. We're gonna be cooking some kuku kienyeji. So you just wanna keep it right here all the way to the end and enjoy this amazing content. As always, this is not the first video that we've done about cooking, so I'm just gonna rush through. If you haven't seen, then I'm gonna pin a playlist right here for you to go and check the detailed explanation of what we're doing right here. So first of all, you cut the chicken or hen into pieces and then you boil it for some time because it's not the regular chicken, so it's gonna be a little bit tougher. So you need to boil it properly first before cooking it. What I'm gonna be using today as my ingredients are gonna be tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, coriander, aka dania. Kama kawaida, I love using different bell peppers for the color. I'm also going to be using the regular stuff that I normally use. For example, the garlic powder. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. I'm going to be using things like salt and whatnot. They're just the regular stuff that I normally use. So first of all, after chopping your ingredients into pieces and now they look good, you put some cooking oil into like a pot, and then you want to add your onions and let it cook until it's golden brown, and then you add the bell peppers, and then you now start adding the spices. Beat it up all together, and then you're gonna add the tomatoes. And I normally say, like, after boiling my chicken, I leave it on the side, and then I do this whole process of the ingredients on the side, and then I'm gonna be adding it all together onto my meat. Okay, I'm just gonna boil my stuff and then keep it on the side, and then I'm gonna do the ingredients on the side, and I'm gonna add it all together onto my meat as I go by. So after you've beaten your ingredients and they're all ready to go, nicely smashed into a paste and whatnot, then you add it into the main thing, which is the meat. And then I normally say, like, let it simmer for some time, and then you add the coriander or the dania or the cilantro, however you want to call it. And today we were having ugali also, and some nice kales. So that is what we're doing right here. So after the chicken is ready, then the ugali was going on also. The process is always simple. Just add some water, let it boil, and then add some flour, stir until it's forming like a cake or something. Then that's gonna be the end product. This is how it looks when everything is ready. And today we have somebody to taste. We can tell that it's so yummy. It is yummy, guys. This is what we got right here at Wendy.Le.Genius kitchen. Every day we make nice stuff. The point is always to try to bring food to be your favorite thing in this thing called the planet. Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end. Let us now jump onto the food review. Hello there, everybody. So today we're gonna be going to Bob's Steakhouse. After the little marriage getaway, my sisters decided to go and spoil us right here at Bob's Steakhouse. We were allowed to eat everything that we wanted and their treat. So this is how it goes. The menu looks like this, and for starters, what we're going to be having is the bread, which I did not like so much. It was so dry, and also I was saving some space for the main course. Guys, the interior is so amazing. They got like some calm music. It's just serene and it's just perfect. The stay is perfect. Everybody right there is friendly, and it's just amazing being there. They got these signature pickles that are so good, by the way. You can look at them. In fact, at first we were like, we're gonna just leave the house to go and eat pickles at the restaurant, but no, it tastes so good, guys. There is a way that it's like they marinated the pickles or whatever. It sounds a little bit funny, but yes, they marinate it a little bit because you can feel a little bit of lemon, vinegar, and salt at the same time. It is so good. You can see from the people's faces. Okay, so today everybody was gonna be having like the filet mignon. We ended up having the 12 ounces. And as a signature also, Bob Steakhouse, everything they serve, they give a carrot on the side. The carrot is glazed and it's so good. We were having mashed potatoes as our sides, almost everybody apart from my sister. The food never disappointed. The filet mignon was just perfect. The marination came in through 100%, and it was so nice, guys. The wait time wasn't so long. It was like, I think, 15 minutes. We were eating in 15 minutes, and they kept on refilling the breads. The waiters were so friendly. The environment was perfect, and yes, it was just amazing. It's really what we wanted, and we were so grateful to our sisters for taking us out to this place, and we really enjoyed ourselves to the core. All of that said and done, these people, I'm going to be giving them a 9.8. This is going to be the highest that I've ever given somebody, because really they passed everything apart from the bread, but I'm going to give them a 9.8 star. They passed everything, guys. So yes, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I love you guys. Keep it right here because a lot of content is going to be dropping. Also, if you haven't seen my latest project or music, go and check it out because it's going to be dropping pretty soon. The preview is out. You can check it out on the other channel. Thank you so much for sticking all the way right here. I love you guys, and be safe. If you need to see more on food, music, DIY, beauty, fashion, and so much more, kindly subscribe to this channel for more awesome content, and also turn on the post notification bell so that every single time I'm going to make an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.